Hello, everybody. Today's adventure, we're going to head to Bishop's Castle, which is 2.5 hours south of Denver.
Hey!
Amanda's joining me on this trip, and we're going to have a good time. Here we go. That's a pretty cool entrance. So here we are at Bishop's Castle. We just talked to Jim, real nice guy. Here's that sign. If you are scared of heights, don't look down. So anybody want to see what fear looks like? It's right here. You got it, baby. You almost there.
Safety. I say we go down that way. I don't want to go down that way again.
I agree. That way down is pretty scary.
Yeah.
Look at that, there's a little gap in the window you can get out. That's crazy. So what do you think so far, Amanda?
It's cool. It's big.
I don't know. I'll see you in a minute. This is what we should try.
Can you fit, babe?
Are you trying to say I'm fat?
No. You're pretty hot and tasty.
Holy cow.
Yeah, it gets really
You aren't kidding.
Honey, you coming?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Maybe you can go up a couple more so you can see over the edge. Is that possible? And then we'll go down.
Did you get by? Whew.
Okay, that's it. That's good enough. We will. We'll let you. It's just there's nowhere else for them to go.
For safety, we have ropes there for where the metal kind of fell through. Just joking. I don't know if it fell through. Holy cow. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're scared of heights, I don't recommend doing this. Oh, there's a dragon. He is so cool looking. Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm terrified.
Obviously, Jim is not scared of heights. You heading down?
Yep.
All right, right behind you. Oh yeah. drone over the Bishop Castle.
Yep.
And we ran into the top pole of the castle. I thought I had enough clearance and bammed right into it. So it shattered the glass on the drone, but I think it's replaceable. Also, when I was trying to catch my drone at one time, I really got my finger really good. So today was not a good drone flying day, but I guess we all have those as you fly drones long enough. These are two kinds of drones, the ones you're gonna crash and ones you have crashed. So thank God it's still okay. Anyways, we had a great time here today. If you're scared of heights, it's a little difficult, but there's some parts that you can go on the inside that's not too bad. So
Yeah.
and there's a little bit of snow, so I recommend having either all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. And if you come up here in the winter, we got to talk to the owner, Jim. He's awesome. But just come on up. It's a
Took
good-
him 35 years to build.
yeah.